Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this fantastic Toyota Prius 1.8 VVT-h 8.8 kWh Excel CVT. Now this vehicle has currently done 40,579 miles and it's finished in the colour pure white. Now this is a very fuel efficient vehicle with the plug-in hybrid system that it does have. It sits very nicely on 15-inch two-tone alloy wheels. You do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, giving you great visibility. On the driver's side of the vehicle, you'll find the charging point for the plug-in hybrid system. Here in the boot, you'll find 360 litres of boot space, which can be increased to 1,204 with the rear seats down. You do have a compartment as well for your charging cables, which is a handy touch to keep them nice and stored away. Take a look inside to the rear of the vehicle now. You have your gorgeous black leather interior with the contrasting white stitching. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in. Here up front you'll find your leather multifunction steering wheel with the nice gloss black finish. Moving round to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. Here on the dashboard you'll find your buttons for the heads-up display as well as the park assist that the vehicle features. With your heads-up display you can see driving data displayed on the road ahead, so you don't have to take your eyes off the road to check your speed, for example. You do also have your park assist here. You can select the type of space you wish to enter and the vehicle will guide you through as it parks itself. On the left of the steering wheel here you have your controls for the infotainment system. On the right you'll find controls for your trip display as well as your radar cruise control and lane departure warning button. You can see your display here. You've got access to all of your fuel and driving data along with the hybrid system. You can see the energy monitor there. You can also access your navigation, audio. You can see your climate control up here at the top of the dashboard, your driver assist display, and also some settings. You do have your blind spot monitoring. You have your lane departure warning system. There is also your pre-collision system as well, keeping you super safe. In the center of the dashboard here, you do have your touchscreen infotainment system. On the system, you do have access to DAB, FM and AM radio, along with the option for connecting your own source of audio with USB, auxiliary input and Bluetooth audio as well. Moving on, you do have navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to new places very easily. The system, you also have access to your Bluetooth telephone menu where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. The system does also have access to MirrorLink, which you can use through USB and Wi-Fi. Your information here, you can see your energy monitor for the hybrid system as well as look at trip information and your past history with the trip data. You also have your setup here for some settings for the display. You can make adjustments to some features. Now this Prius does come equipped with front and rear parking sensors as well as a reverse camera to make parking super easy. Underneath the display you'll find your dual zone automatic climate control. Underneath there you'll find your driving modes. You do have your buttons for your full electric modes, your EV City, as well as your standard driving modes here. You have normal, power mode and eco, which change how the vehicle performs and handles, so you can enhance your driving experience. You have your automatic gear selector next to your driving modes there. Underneath this you'll find your wireless phone charger, so you can charge your compatible device up very easily. Behind this you'll find your heated front seats. You've got the choice of low and high for the temperatures to keep you warm and comfortable. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.